This is where every program starts, and it maps straight onto ASE Area 6A, the general electrical tasks every accredited program has to cover. Series, parallel, and series parallel circuits using Ohm's law. The causes and effects of shorts, grounds, opens, and resistance problems. Testing fuses and circuit breakers, that is P1 task language, and it is exactly what students wire on this trainer. By hand, real lamps, real relays, real fuses, 49 measurement sockets, and every component is electronically protected, so a wiring mistake never damages anything. The instructor gets 22 structured tasks with complete worksheets and solutions. No prep time needed. For MLR-level programs, this is the foundation purchase. One sentence to remember. The ASE Electrical Foundation tasks, wired by hand, with zero risk.